Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I've been working on this project for the last 3 weeks and thought it's a good time to share it with anybody who wants to start something. For December, it's a good time to start now. This owl is very precious. I named it after my child and I just love it so much. I loved every moment of creating this, and I hope this sparks 1,000 ideas within you that you can use in and around your house. So let me show you. I started off with an empty bottle that I oiled very well inside. I took off the bottom of the bottle and inserted a 2-liter bottle filled with water on the inside, like this. Centered it and then taped it down to stay in place because cement has a way of pushing stuff to the top, and that way, by taping it down, it kept there, the way it should. Anyway, I left it for 7 days, but you really have to tap the cement in to get out as many bubbles as possible, to give you a stronger cement or concrete. I used 3 scoops sand. I used plaster sand and 1.5 scoops of cement. I left it to stand for 7 days, giving me a very smooth feel on my cement. When you touch it, it feels like polished marble. I drew the features in more or less where I wanted them. I never measured anything. I just wanted to be random, more or less random, unique, different, not exact. I laid it down on a pillow that I covered with plastic because this is full of water. Then I slowly drilled through the plastic, and as soon as the water started spilling out, I knew I was through. But also the water once again wetted the concrete on the inside, giving it more strength. The more you wet your concrete, allow it to cure, wet, allow it to cure, the stronger your end product will be. From my experience. Then I turned it upside down into a little bowl to give me this top, because I want to fit a bowl on top. First reason, and the second reason, for handling purposes, because this is quite heavy, and if you are going to move it around over a period of time, it will break the flowers, I would think. And it won't fall. Something like that. Just for me, handling purposes. I'm still going to make a nice pedestal for it to stand on. Now the purpose of these holes are to put in tiny little fairy lights and put them, fasten them, tighten them, glue them down with something. I was thinking of a glue gun, but I prefer actually glue for cement. That seems to work always best. I used cookie cutters to make my little flowers. I take a paintbrush, wet the cement, and then I cut the little flower, lift it with a knife, and pat it gently into place. If needed, I would wet my fingers and pat it again. The water acts like an adhesive between the old and the new concrete. And this is very smooth, remember. I suppose one could sand it down to give it a bit of a bite, but that is entirely up to you. I'm not here to tell you exactly what to do. I'm here to show you my project. So I'm very thrilled. I'm going to zoom in a little bit to give you a closer look and show it to you from the different angles. Just hang on. These little cracks are not a problem. You can sand them down, and as you're going to work with more cement, you can just fill it in with your finger, and that's the one side. More holes for little lights, but like I said, I've changed my mind about the lights. I've also changed my mind about the location where I want to place it. And I hope you join me here and show me what you come up with. I just think this could make lovely legs for a table. It could be a beautiful book stand project with shelves on 2, 3, 4, 5 of these owls. Really make it look different. Here we go. Thank you so much. I wish you a wonderful day. Take care and be blessed. Ciao for now.